Anyhow, we're gonna read Don't Push the Button. All right, get really, really close to your phone or really, really close to your computer because I need you guys to help me with this book. Don't push the button. All right, get your hands ready. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one's looking. You should give the button one little push. Go ahead, push it. Oh! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Quick, push it twice. Ah! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Shake the book. Get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost, just a little more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Take your finger, scratch the screen, scratch his belly. That tickles. Okay, much better. Now let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. I hope y'all had fun pushing the button in that book. That is one of my favorites. It's so much fun.